Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, I am going to show you how to add transitions between clips in Adobe Premiere Pro. So let's get started. So here we are in Adobe Premiere Pro and we have our footages right here. We have two footages for this example. So first, let me just mute the footage right here so that there would be no distractions right there. And now to put transitions in between clips, the most simple thing that you can do is to add fade into the transition. So you can do it between the clips. So when you right click at between the clips right here, so as you can see right here at this part right here, there is a between the clips, and once you right click on it, you can click on apply default transitions, and this would apply a default fade in and fade out. But as you can see, it says insufficient media, and that is because our clip right here isn't cut. It's in its maximum length. So you would need to cut some frames just like this one if you don't want that error to occur. So when I do it like this, as you can see, it's only in the left side because the left side or this clip right here is at its maximum length for this side. So you would need to do this right here so that there would be new frames for the transition to work on so that it would be smoother, just like this one right here. And yeah, as you can see, that is really smooth because if you don't put the allowance right there, this is what would happen. Apply default transitions, there would be like that. And when you play it, it's not as smooth as you can see at the middle of it. There is some freeze frame. That is because it's at maximum length right here. So you would need to cut it a little bit, just like that. And now you know about that, then you can also put some transition at the end, just as example for this one. You don't need to cut this if there is only one clip. There is nothing that is connected to it. You can just go and add a simple fade out just like that. Or if you want to fade in, you want to put it at the left end of your clip, just like this one right here, just like that. And if you want to put some other transitions, then we also have that here in the Adobe Premiere Pro under the Effects tab right here. So when you go click here on Video Transitions, right here, Video Transitions, and you can pick any transitions you like right here. So let's say we want to go into white. And from here, you can choose any transitions that you can drag into your clip. So let's say paint splatter. And I want to apply this here at the beginning of this clip right here. Right there. And when you do this, it will be like this right there. And as you can see, that is really awesome. And let's see if we can add this in the middle, just like that. We can also do that right here. And now this would be the result right there. Just remember that you have to put some allowance right there so that the transitions would work smoothly right there. And that's basically it. All you have to do now is choose your transitions and just drag them simply right here. Or you could also import your own transitions if you downloaded some transitions online. So that is basically it. Thank you for watching. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.